Kumaskandi uwumculo omkhulu kakhulu eKZN futhi uwumculo engifisa ukuthi ube mkhulu kakhulu emhlabeni wonke jikelele ngoba ngathini uyi-foundation yethu thina eKZN. But unfortunately right now abantu abakhona kumaskandi njengamanje abadumile kumaskandi bayawubulala umaskandi because they want to be the kings of umaskandi rather than making umculo umaskandi ukuthi kube yiwona oba inkosi ngoba lo mculo lo as much as thina si diversa senza i-afro pop senza in thina umaskandi siyawuhlonipha kakhulu so isifiso sami so lento lesiyenza ukuthi ama fans elandele abantu abawuculayo lo mculo lo more than ukuthi belandele umculo ukuthi uthini so leyo nto leyo for mina iyawubulala umaskandi because nama fans awu umaskandi they do not respect ama artists acula umaskandi noma ama artists that end up collaborating with umaskandi mase kuthiwa ena sekuba khona ukungazwani noma singasaboni ngasolinye yabo so ngaleso sikhathi leso because you know you can never ukuthi ungaboni ngasolinye nomuntu and then it stays like that forever siyayilungisa thina izinto and then kusala fan base yakhona isikhuluma izinto eziyindelelo so into engiyifisayo ukuthi abantu abasemakhaya abalalela umaskandi behloniphe lo mculo lo kuthiwa umaskandi ngoba thina sinesifiso sokuthi umaskandi uye as far as it can because umaskandi unengoma ngiyathemba ukuthi abantu baphesheya bangathanda ukubona lo mculo kaMaskandi but if sizoqhubeka kanje kuona uMaskandi uzobulala uMaskandi.
And uMaskandi has made and built a lot of dreams. Ngoba ama artists amaningi afana nawe and other artists I've made from KZN bayasho ukuthi I mean mawulalelo baba uphuze ekhemisi and no Dr. Buselaphi ingane zoma imithente
like iwona umculo lo esasiwazi ukuthi even if umgqumeni nomtshengiseni babedisana engomeni babengeke beze bedisane bekhipha ukuthi okay wena nje babedisana ngokwengoma like any other hip hop artist like how hip hop artists would do
bekuyileyo beef yeMaskandi
but eyenza umculo kaMaskandi ukuthi ube mnandi ukhule undlondlobale njalo.
Are you looking to do more? I mean, considering the collaboration esikhuluma ngayo no Dr. Buselaphi and success in Paris. Can we expect more Maskandi features from you?
No, until they change the way abenza ngayo. I'm not going to be doing any Maskandi songs because ngiyayibona ukuthi ibuye ifake ne career yami engcupheni because they have no respect. Ama fans ami awekho based on Maskandi. They are based on everyone. So if abantu bala engisuka khona bengakwazi ukuhlonipha umsebenzi gcine sek-affecta nalabo abantu abathanda umsebenzi wami abangaphandle abangazi ukuthi sekwaba yini usiko likaMaskandi yabo. So cause mawenza ingoma nalo munye ama-fans alo munye awakuthandi. Yabo. So leyo nto leyo igcina nje isikhoza i-conflict unnecessary. So for now angeke ngize ngithanda ukuthi ngiyibandakanye nokwenza ingoma kaMaskandi unless I do the song alone.
Did you experience any of that from the collaboration near Paris?
A collaboration near Paris ingilethele nje indelelo eningi engangijabulisanga neze engenze nganga-enjoya nale moment time ezenayo iParis.
Oh no.
So I'm just not happy at all about it.
I am so sorry to hear that. I mean, le ngoma did so well. I think Paramount sitting on like 8 million streams.
13 million.
Say 8 million on Spotify.
Or on Spotify, I think it's 9 million, and then on YouTube it's 13 million.
And it's like no Maskandi song has done this.
Reached that.
So to hear Uguti, it's not a moment that you are enjoying.
No.
Is sad. I'm so sorry to hear that. I think Tina Bantu Bangaphandle obviously asazi.
Yeah, abantu bangaphandle abazi ngakho ngithi and I don't want to continue with it because abantu bazogcina sebe exposed ekuthenini leyo culture leyo ikanjani ekamaskandi, but what we want ngomaskandi is just something great, and I feel like abantu should change the way that they feel ukuze benzele umaskandi ukuthi uqhubeke kube yinto enhle, because I think ngikukhombisile lokho ukuthi umaskandi can go far by collaborating with uBhuti Omdala, and yeah,
that you did. And sure, so much wisdom in what you're saying. I almost said ukjula okungaga, but I feel like I would have
right.
Right? Oh my God, thank you. Yes. Ngoba gule show bengicela ngayo yashingoma that I was working on.
Yeah.
We've had older artists who came to the show, and this is the same sentiment that they shared. Ukuthi imaskandi from inkathi zabo when they were doing well to what it is now, so much has changed. And they wish that it can go back to that, where it's just about the music and not who's king of maskandi. Norma, you know, who thinks they are the king of maskandi. So I really do hope Guti that day will come soon.
I hope that it comes soon so that we can just be great and be able to express ukuthi umculo wangakithi siuthanda kangakanani futhi siuhlonipha kangakanani. Siyafisa ukuthi ukhule futhi udlondlobale.
So I just realized ukuthi ngikubheke emehlweni